Cohen has 252 candles, Devi has 304 candles, and Rashid has 182 candles. What is the total number of candies that Rashid must receive from Cohen and Devi so that each of them will have the same number of candies? Okay, so same thing, we have to visualize it, so we're going to draw a model. So we know that Cohen has 252, so 252 over here, and Devi has the most, which is 304, and then Rashid has the least. This will be 182. Okay, now we have to find out what is the total number of candies that Rashid must receive from Cohen so that each of them will have the same number of candies. Before we do that, we have to find out total number of candies. Okay, so after we find out total number of candies, right, eventually we know that Cohen will have to give one part of it and Devi will have to give another part of it to Rashid, so that they will all have the same number over here. Okay, so this is actually how you draw your model. Now, to find out this, we have to find out total number of candies. So remember, write the sentence, then write your arrow. So this will be 252 plus 304 plus 182. Okay, so long addition, 252, 304, 182. Okay, 2 plus 4 plus 2, 8. 5 plus 0 plus 8, 13. Okay, 1 plus 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 3, 7. So it's 738. Total will be 738. If each of them will have the same number of candies, we have to take this divided by 3 to find out eventually how many will Rashid have. Okay, so we just take each person must have, okay, 738 divided by 3, that will give us 2, 6, 7 minus 6, 1, 3, 4, 4 times 3, 12, 1, 8, 6 times 3, 18. Okay, so that comes out to an even 2, 4, 6. Sorry, write the working first. 738 divided by 3 giving us 2, 4, 6. Okay, so each of them must have 2, 4, 6. So we know that this one is 2, 4, 6. Now, what is the question asking for? The question is asking for what is the total of candies that Rashid must receive from Cohen and Devi. Okay, so the question is asking for this. So put a question mark over here. Okay, so in order to find this, we know that the total is 246. We take 246 minus 182, we'll get answer. So number of candies that Rashid will receive. Arrow, 246 minus 182. Okay, subtraction, 246 minus, whoops, you cannot see, right? Okay, alright. 246 minus 182, 6 minus 2, 4, not enough. Okay, 14 minus 8 will give us 6, and this is the final answer. Rashid will receive 64 from both Cohen and Devi, so that each of them will have the same number of candies. Done. Okay, so for parents who are watching this, right, model drawing for this kind, right, is a little bit more advanced. So you have to draw part by part, slowly, 1% by 1%, and the shaded part must be shaded accurately. Okay, and always remember to put a question mark here to direct the attention of your kids to the question itself. If not, they're going to find something else that doesn't answer the question and they're not going to have the answer marks. Okay, remind your child to always write the sentence. Okay, so it's a very, very good practice. It doesn't take up too much time either. In fact, it saves a lot of time when they try to go back and check the working itself. Okay, and remember, do not shy away from writing the working. In fact, this will actually help them when they go back to check as well. And also, in the rare cases where they forget to write the working, the teacher will look at the rough working over here and can still award marks. Alright, done.